He was expected to make inroads into several regional strongholds, but Narendra Modi won in a landslide victory, completely decimating the opposition in several states. The biggest loser being the Congress party, with several of their big names being completely rejected by the electorate.
Narendra Modi's victory speech. Hours after the BJP got the first clear mandate since 1984. Modi's win coming on the backdrop of a landslide result in BJP's favour in the Hindi heartland. Uttar Pradesh giving BJP an unprecedented 71 seats. In Bihar, the Modi wave putting BJP far ahead of the regional players.
आजादी के बाद ये पहली घटना है कि ऐसा दल सत्ता में आया है जिसका गोत्र कांग्रेस का नहीं है, जिसकी सोच कांग्रेस की नहीं है, जिसका मकसद कांग्रेस का नहीं है, जिसके कर्तव्य कांग्रेसी नहीं है.
In yet another first for the 2014 election, the BJP making a clean sweep in Modi's home state. And not to be left behind, even Rajasthan, sending all its MPs to the Lok Sabha on BJP tickets.
पहली बार देश की जनता ने स्पष्ट जनादेश दिया है. और जब स्पष्ट जनादेश मिलता है तो भाइयों बहनों, जिम्मेवारी भी बहुत बढ़ जाती है. और मैं देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूं, आपने हम पर जो भरोसा रखा है, उस भरोसे को कभी कोई चोट नहीं पहुंचने देंगे.
But the biggest loser has been the Congress, down to its lowest ever tally, even lower than its 1977 numbers.
And as Vice President of the party, I hold myself responsible.
In state after state, UPA ministers falling like 9 pins. Sushil Kumar Shinde defeated on his home turf, and Salman Khurshid finishing a poor fourth. Kapil Sibal rejected by the Chandni Chowk voters. Voters pushing those accused of corruption. Kurukshetra taking the fight out of Naveen Jindal. Chandigarh derailing Pawan Kumar Bansal's plans. While the Congress got battered, several regional parties, the BSP, DMK, MNS, CPI and National Conference failed to win a single seat. The only sour note for the BJP was Arun Jaitley's defeat in his electoral debut from Amritsar. But it did not hurt amidst the euphoria over Modi's stunning victory. Bureau Report, Times Now.